The Nokia 5.1 Plus has been globally unveiled in India, and we got some hands-on time with this device. Here's our first look. The phone is a global variant of the Nokia X5, which was launched in China in July. It's part of the Android One initiative, implying that it runs on a Google-certified optimized version of stock Android and is promised to receive timely version updates. The dual-SIM Nokia 5.1 Plus runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo and sports a 5.86-inch HD Plus display with a 2.5D curved glass. Under the hood, it has a MediaTek Helio P60 SoC coupled with 3GB of RAM. The smartphone bears a dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel primary sensor coupled with an f2.0 aperture and PDAF apart from a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The rear setup is accompanied by an LED flash module. On the front, the smartphone sports an 8-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture. The Nokia 5.1 Plus comes with 32GB of inbuilt storage that's expandable via micro SD card. It sports a fingerprint sensor on the rear panel and is powered by a 3060 mAh battery. The price for the phone was not revealed at the event. However, the company did provide a global pricing of €199, which is roughly 15,900 rupees, excluding taxes and subsidies. It will go on sale in India in September via Flipkart and the Nokia online store. The phone will be made available in gloss black, gloss white, and midnight gloss blue color variants. So that is a quick first look at the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.